Now I'll show you how to update your contact details for the Facebook business page. Simply underneath here, click on Edit Page Info, and you will be able to complete the data, complete the information about your business. So you can add a description, such as we are selling fair trade yoga clothing. You can obviously add more, you can add call to action as well, but I'll click Save Changes. You can update the phone number here, add a website as well, so obviously your URL, email address. You can specify to hide your address if you want, so I'll tick it here and I'll save changes. So this is handy if you only are selling online, if you haven't got a physical location. You can specify area, hours of opening, but obviously if you're just open for, if it's like online store, you can tick always open unless you have certain hours of customer service opening hours, so make sure to specify it. Okay, and perhaps price range. So obviously, your clothing range. How would you place yourself? So perhaps like double. Obviously, you will have currency in your own. You will have symbol in your own currency. Save changes. Okay, and then simply click close the box.